Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of decimal numbers in fractions chapter. Multiplication of decimal numbers. For example, 1.7 into 3. 1.7 into 3. So this is the decimal number, whole number. How to do this given problem? So this is 1.7, 17 by 10. Why? Because ones place, 10th place, T and TH. So 1.7 in fraction 17 by 10. Fraction of 1.7 is 17 by 10 into 3. This is the 3 by 1. 3 is the whole number, but in fraction of 3 by 1. Now numerator into numerator, multiplication of two fractions. Already we know about how to do given two fractions multiplication. So numerator, product of numerators and product of denominators. That means 17 into 3 by 10 into 1. 10 into 1. So 17 3s are 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51. So 51 by 10. 51 by 10. So equal to, here denominator how much children? 10. So this is the decimal number 5.1. Because here 10 is there. So decimal place 1 only. So 51 by 10 answer 5.1. So this is the decimal number. This is the example of multiplication of decimal number. One more example. 2.3 into 4.15. 2.3 into 4.15. So take this one. 2.3. So this 2.3, 23 by 10. 23 by 10. Why? Because here decimal value 1 into here 4.15 means 415 by 100. Why? Because here decimal place is 2. So that's why here take 100. Now do multiplication. 23 into 415 by 10 into 100, how much is that? 1000. 10 into 100, 1000. Now do multiplication. 23 into 415. 415, 23. 3 5 are 15. 1 carry. 3 1 are 3 plus 1. 4. 3 4 are 12. 3 5 are 15. 1 carry. 3 1 are 3 plus 1. 4. 3 4 are 12. Now 2 5 are 10. 1 carry. 2 1 are 2 plus 1. 3. 2 4 are 8. 5 4 5 9. So this answer 9545 by 1000. So here how many zeros? 3 zeros. So from right to left, 1, 2, 3, after we put a point, 9.545 is the answer of this one. Clear children? This is the second example of multiplication of decimal numbers. Clear children? Next. Next, division of decimal number. Division of decimal number. For example, 31.5 divided by 10. 31.5 divided by 1. So take this one. 31.5 by 10. This division में 31.5 by 10 equal to, here decimal point. So our one more method is there. Take first this number. How many decimal values here? 1. That's why 315 by 10 divided by 10. 315 divided by 10 divided by 10. So this is the 315 by 10 into what is this? 10 means 10 by 1. So reciprocal of 10 by 1. 10 by 1. Once see children, 31.5 divided by 10. This is the given question. So this is the decimal number, write in fraction. So 31.5 fraction is 315 by 10. Why? Because here decimal place only 1. That's why here. So divided by 10. So 10 whole number, write in fraction 10 by 1. Now 315 by 10 into, here division quantity, here change into. So 10 by 1 reciprocal of 10 by 1. Next step, 315 by 10 into reciprocal of 10 by 1, how much children? 1 by 10 equal to numerator into numerator. 315 into 1 by 10 into 10 equal to 315 1 jar. 315 by 10 10 jar, how much children? 100. 10 10 jar 100. So here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So decimal point over here, 2 digits after before. So 3.15. 3.15 is the answer of this one. Clear children? Next. Exercise 6. Now we are going to discussing about exercise 6. In this, first one, solve the following. Solve the following. First one, 0.3 into 6. 0.3 into 6. This is the decimal number. This is the whole number. So take this one. 3 by 10. Decimal fraction of 0.3 what children? 3 by 10. Why mean? Here decimal place only 1. So into 6 equal to, this is the fraction. 6 we have to write 6 by 1. Now numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 into 6 by 10 into 1 equal to 3 6 are 18 by 10. 18 by 10 equal to 1.08. Why? Because here 10 is there. Clear children? Next, second problem. 7 into 2.7. 7 into 2.7. So 7 into 2.7, 27 by 10. Okay, na children? This is the decimal number, fraction 27 by 10. So this is the 7 by 1. Why? Because this is the whole number, so fraction of 7 by 1. Now numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 27 7 jar. 7 7 jar 49, 4 carry, 7 2 jar 14 plus 4 18. So how much is that? 189 by 10. Once again, 7 7 jar 49, 4 carry, 2 7 jar 14 plus 4 18. So 189 by 10. So where is the decimal point in 189? Here, 1 after 9 before. So 18.9 is the answer of second problem. Next, third one, 2.71 into 5. 2.71 into 5. So 271 by 100. Why? Because here point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. That's why. So here 100 into 5 by 1. Now numerator into numerator. 271 into 5 by 100 into 100. 100 into 100 equal to 271 fives. 5 1 is 5. 5 7 are 35. 3 carry. 5 2 are 10 plus 3. 13. 5 1 are 5. 5 7 are 35. 3 carry. 5 2 are 10 plus 3. 30. 1 3 5 5. 1 3 5 5 by 100. 1355 by 100 equal to, so point here, by because here 100, so 13.55. 13.55. Next problem, fourth one, 19.7 into 4. 19.7 into 4. 19.7 into 4. Take this one. 197 by how much children? 10. Why? Because here one digit. Decimal place, how many digits are there? One digit. So 197 by 10 into 4 by 1. So 197 into 4 by 10. So 197 4s are here. 4 7s are 28. 2 carry. 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38. 3 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. So 788 by 10 equal to 78 by 78.8. This is the fourth one answer. Next fifth one, 0.05 into 7. 0.05 into 7. Here decimal place, how many digits are there children? 2 digits. That's why 5 by 100. So 5 by 100, 0.05 in fraction 5 by 100 into 7 by 1 equal to 5 into 7 by 100 into 1 equal to 5 7 35 by 100. 35 by 100. So in denominator 100 is there. So answer is 0.35. 0.35. That answer. Next sixth problem. Clear children? Sixth one. 210.01 into 5. 210.01 into 5. So take this number. This value 210.01. So in decimal place, 2 digits are there. So what is the denominator children? 100. So 21001 by 100 into 5 by 1. See children, this is the 210.01. So in decimal place, 2 digits are there. That's why denominator is 100. So this number 21,001 by 100 into 5 by 1. Now here numerator 21,001 into 5 by 100. 100 into 1 how much? 100. So 21,001 into 5 into 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 are 10. So 105 0 0 5 by 100. 0 0 5 by 100. So this answer point here 1050.05 by 055. 1050.05. That's the answer. Clear children? In second page, in first bit, 6 problems completed and one problem is left. We take that homework. In second page, Find the area of rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Once again, children, this is the word problem in exercise 6, second problem. Find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Length L equal to 6.2 centimeters given and breadth 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. So this is the rectangle. This is the rectangle shape. This is the length. This is the breadth. What is the length? 6.2 centimeters. What is the breadth? 4 centimeters. Here asking area. What is the area of formula? Area of rectangle formula. Tell me. Length into breadth. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth equal to what is the length? 6.2 centimeters into breadth 4 centimeters. 6.2 centimeters into 4 centimeters. Once observe here, 6.2 decimal number, 4 whole number. This decimal number convert into fraction. So in decimal value, decimal place, how many digits are there here? Only one. So 62 by 10. 62 by 10. Why here 10 mean? Here decimal place value only one. So into 4 centimeters. After that, so 4 by 1. 62 into 4 by 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10 into 1. So 62 4 jar. 62 into 4. 4 2 jar 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 4 2 jar 8. 4 6 are 24. So 248 by 10. 248 by 10. So here denominator 10. So what is the answer? It's not visible. Here 62 by 10 into 4 by 1 equal to 62 into 4 by 10 equal to 62 into 4 over children 248 by 10. This answer 24.8. Here centimeter into centimeter. So that's answer centimeter square or square centimeters. So 62 4 jar 248. 10 into 1 10. So this answer 24.8 centimeter square. Why? Because here centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeters. Clear children? Yeah. Next third problem. Solve the following. Solve the following. First bit 21.3 into 10. Here 12 problems are there, but I'll explain 4 problems only. Remaining 8 problems will take homework and will do at home. These problems are. So first one 21.3 into 10. See children, 21.3 into 10. So this decimal number, this decimal point move to right side one after. Why? Because here 10 given. So this answer 213. 213. Why? Because here 10 given into 10. So this decimal point move to right side one digit after. So here. So 213 answer. This is a 213. How? Once again. 21.3 into 10. 3 tens 30. 3 carry. 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. 1 carry. 2 tens 20 plus 1 21. So How many decimal places here? Only one now. So 230. So 230. Same answer. This is the long process. This is the easy process. So here 10 given, the decimal point move to right side one digit. Here 100 given, move to two decimal point on right side. Next problem. 36.8 into 10. 36.8 into 10. So this decimal point move to right side one digit after. So 368. 368. Now third problem. 53.7 into 10. So this decimal point will move to right side one digit 537. 537. One more problem. 156.1 into 100. 1 into 100. So here 100 given. This decimal point to move to right side two digits. Two digits. So 156. Here one is there. One more digit. Here one more digit not given. We keep 0. Why? Because here decimal place only one digit given, but here 100 given. So this decimal point move to right side two digits. So that's why one after here second point is not given. 100 place value is not given. That's why keep here 0. Next point. Next one. 0.9 into 100. 0.9 into 100. This is the point. Move to this point, move to right side, two digits after. So 9, already 9. One more digit, 100 plus not given, 0, 90. So here 100 given, here what children? 9. This is the 9. Clear? Next, fourth problem. In third bit, I explained only 5 problems. Remaining 7 problems will take homework. Already I informed you. Fourth one. A motorbike covers a distance of 62.5 kilometers, consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance does it cover for 10 liter of petrol? So 1 liter petrol it covers 62.5 kilometers. 10 liters petrol, so how many kilometers it covers? You have to find it. Do multiplication. So 62.5 kilometers per 1 liter. So here asking 10 liters mean into 10. I did not write the information. Already I explained direct on my. So 0, 5, 0. Not like that. This is the fourth problem. 62.5 kilometers into 10 liters. 62.5 kilometers into 10 liters. Now take 62.5 into 10. This is the decimal number. So take 625 by here decimal place how much children? 1, that's by 10 into 10 by 1. 10 by 1. Now 625 into 10. 5 tens 15. 5 carry 2 tens 20 plus 5 25. 2 carry 6 tens 60 plus 2 60. So 6250 by 10. 0 0 cancel 625 kilometers. Why? Because here kilometers given. So this is the 625 kilometers. So 1 liter petrol it covers the distance 62.5 kilometers. 10 liter petrol, so it covers how many kilometers? Covers 625 kilometers. This is the fourth problem. Next big one. Solve the following. Solve the following. First problem. 1.5 into 0.3. 1.5 into 0.3. So take this. This is the decimal number. This is also decimal number. So 1.5 you write 15 by 10 into 0.3 3 by 10. 1.5 15 by 10, 0.3 3 by 10 equal to numerator into numerator 15 into 3 by 10 into 10. 15 3 jar 45 by 10 10 jar 100. 10 10 jar 100. So this value 0.45. Why we got here 100. So that's why this is the 0.45. Next second problem. 0.1 into 47.5. 0.1 into 47.5. So this is the 1 by 10 fraction of 0.1 1 by 10 into fraction of 47.5 or 475 by 10. Why? Because here decimal place value is 1. So here 1 into 475 by 10 10 jar 100. Now answer 4.75. Why? Because here 100 point here, so 4.75. Now third one 0.2 into 210.8. 210.8. So this is the 2 by 10 into here decimal value only 1. So 2108 by 10 equal to 2 into 2000 to 108. 2 8 jar 16, 1 k 1, 0 2 jar 0 1, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 jar 4. 4216 by 10 10 jar 100 equal to 42.16. 42.16. That is the answer. Clear, children? One more problem. 4.3 into 3.4. Four point three into 3.4. So this is the 43 by 10 into 34 by 10. So 43 into 34 by 10 10 jar 100. So 43 into 34. 4 3 jar 12. 1 carry. 4 4 jar 16 plus 1 17. 3 3 jar 9. 3 4 jar 12. 2 16. So 1462 by 100 equal to 14.62. 14.62. That's the answer. Next one, sixth problem. Solve the following. Sixth page. This is the division problem, children. Solve the following. Solve the following. This first bit 2.3 divided by 100. 2.3 divided by 100. So this is the division problem. Take this one. 2.3 fraction 23 by 10. Why? Because here decimal value, decimal point, decimal place. Here 3 is there. 23 by 10 divided by 100 by 1. So 23 by 10 into reciprocal of 100 by 1. So 23 by 10 into reciprocal of 100 by 1, what children? 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Now numerator into numerator. 23 into 1 by 10 into 100. 23 1 jar. 23 by 10 into 100, how much children? 1000. So this value 0. Here 3 zeros. 1 2 3. So 0 2 3. Here only two digits only, but one more digit here. 3 after 2 after one more zero is there. That's why keep 0. After you put point. So 0.023 is the answer for 2.3 divided by 100. Next one, 0.45 divided by 0.45 divided by 10 divided by 5, not sorry, 10. 0.45 divided by 5. So take this 0.45. How many digits are there in decimal place? 2 digits. So what is the denominator? 100. So 45 by 100 divided by 5 by 1. 5 by 1. Now 45 by 100 into reciprocal of 5 by 1. Reciprocal of 5 by 1. So 45 by 100 into reciprocal of 5 by 1, how much? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to 45 into 1 by 100 into 5. So 45 by 100 into 5, how much children? 500. 45 by 500. This is the answer. Next one. 44.3 divided by 10. 44.3 divided by 10. So here in decimal place, how many digits are there? 1 digit. So what is the denominator? 10. So 443 by 10 divided by 10 by 1. Now 443 by 10 into reciprocal of 10 by 1. 443 by 10 into reciprocal of 10 by 1. 1 by 10 equal to 443 by 10 times 100 equal to 4.43. So what is the answer? 4.43. Clear? Next, seventh problem. Clear, children? In sixth page, the remaining fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, you will take homework, children. You will do at home that problem. I will send the exercise 6 all problems. Next, seventh problem. A side of a regular polygon. A side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeters. So here, how many sides does the polygon have? Once children, this is a very, very important seventh problem. Here, perimeter of polygon. One polygon is there. You know polygon? What is the polygon? A simple closed figure with straight lines. A simple closed figure with straight lines. Here regular polygon given. Regular polygon means all sides are equal. First once again, what is the polygon? A simple closed figure with straight lines, it is called polygon. Regular polygon means it has all sides are equal. The polygon has all sides are equal, so it is called a regular polygon. So here perimeter given, how much given? 17.5 centimeters given, and one side given, side of polygon. So that is the 3.5. Side of polygon 3.5 mean all sides are equal. So how many sides are here asking? So how number of sides equal to perimeter by side. We will get the answer. Clear, children?